Good morning. Good morning from Ideford. It's the morning after our little blunder yesterday. Didn't go to plan, but we're up. It's currently 3:52 a.m. in the morning. It doesn't look it, does it? I'm used to pitch black. Up here, it's yeah, slightly lighter. I'm gonna get in my car, drive to a destination. Once I'm there, I'll tell you what's going on. Well, I was gonna take a little video once I got to my destination, but this backdrop is just too beautiful to do it there. The drive down here is stunning. You have mountains up the top here with snow all over them. The lake that is just vast. It just doesn't end. Yeah, I'm stunned. Here we are on All Trails. We have Trolltunga coming up. Can't really tell what's going on here, and I'm not going to show you. You could obviously Google it yourself, but it's about 16 miles, 4,000 feet. I think that's just over 1,000 meters. It's gonna be a long day, and I'm hoping to get to the spot at a decent time. So let's see. Wow. I was expecting this to be a little bit more full up, but I guess not everybody is as crazy as me. Okay, I'm here. I'm gonna find out how to pay for parking and then set our sights for Trolltunga, aka in English, Trolltung. 500 knot, that is expensive. It's like 36 quid to park it for the day. Woo! Good luck.
Good luck.
That was a nice lady. She was from Taiwan. But anyway, I'm setting off. And I found these poles as well. So lucky. Everybody on the reviews of this place is saying bring pole. The situation up there is quite snowy. Yeah, a little bit treacherous. So a sign from God that I'm gonna need these poles. Hopefully someone just left them behind, and then I'll just put them back where they were. Trolltunga. Beware of the trolls. 28-kilometer hike from here and return. I'm making it a good luck tradition to touch the wood on the start. Let's go. We're getting into snowy territory. My Taiwanese friends are back here. Now this is tough, but I love it.
Yes.
I love it, I love it. You're loving it?
Good.
You love it?
Yes.
Ah, that's good. Flipping elder. The snow is so bright here. Oh my God, I can't even see right now. I'm blinded. Up we go further. .9 miles in, 2 hours on the trail. I think we've got about 3 miles to go until Trolltunga. I'm walking with some people. Say hello. Hello. Paul and Chris, right? Is it Paul? Yes. Paul and Chris, yes.
Tony and Chris.
Tony and Chris. I'm terrible with names, but we're getting there. 1,200 meters up right now. It's getting really tough. 6.7 miles in about 3 hours and 10 minutes. I've not got long to go now. Trolltunga is almost here. I can smell it. I think I'm bloody here. Now, the golden reveal, because there's a queue here, and I'm assuming it's for the thing.
Yeah.
Holy sh! There it is. The golden view. Wow. well, baby! Oh, yes. Damn, it's windy up here, but what a view. Holy smokes. This has got to be up there with the best in the world. And then you got the angle of it over here looks slightly different, but the angle on the other side looks so much better. The queue must have taken maybe like 30 minutes to queue, but now the queue is much longer. That's got to take at least an hour. Like, people taking their time too, rightfully so. You've trekked all this way 4 hours, why wouldn't you? Right, I've got the long walk back now, 4 hours. Let's get back on it. Goodbye, Troll Tunga. Really don't get much better than that. Well worth waking up at the crack of dawn for, because yeah, that queue is at least an hour. Right, I'm setting off at 12 o'clock. I was there for maybe an hour, just chilling. But now I've got the long walk back. Well, here we are. Just down there on the left is the P3 parking spot, which I didn't park at. I parked at the P2 and then walked up from P2 to P3. Most people will go to P2 and get a shuttle bus to P3 and then walk from there. But like I say, I'm hardcore. But yes, the end is nigh. Looking forward to getting in my car and celebrate with a banana and some music. Here it comes, the finish line. Oh baby, we finished! Oh yes, Troll Tunga complete. 16 miles, it's just under 8 hours. My legs are about to fall off. I'm a happy man. And what I'm gonna do, give these poles to some other lucky person. Let's put them back where I found them. Okay, come on now. Oopsie. Mwah! You've done me well. Let's have a look at the old statistics, shall we? This is what Strava's got. Check that sexy picture. Distance, 15.93 miles. I would have liked to have hit the 16 mile mark, but do you know what? CBA. Elevation gain, 3,875. I'll pop the meters up on the screen right now. And then yeah, 3,372 calories burnt. Baby, I'm eating some Thai food tonight. They have like a little Thai, it's like a burger van, but it's a Thai place and it's banging. Stick around for tomorrow because there's going to be another hike. I'll see you then.